Yeah, Cambridge IGCSE Additional Mathematics Paper 2, October-November 2025. Okay, let's go for the first question. The line y equal to 4x minus 3 meets the curve y equal to 3 plus 5x minus 2x square at the point A and B. Find the coordinate of A and B. So we need to equate both the equation, which is 4x minus 3 equal to 3 plus 5x minus 2x square. Rearrange. So 2x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now we need to factorize. Well, factorize time we'll get. We will get like, so I'll factorize now, times minus 12, 2x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0, minus 12 times time, and addition time we have to get negative 1, which is negative 4 and 3. So 2x square negative 4x plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x, so x minus 2, so which is x minus 2, then plus 3, so 2x plus 3 and x minus 2. So 2x plus 3 and x minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 3 by 2 and x equal to 2. We got the x coordinate. So next we go for like a y coordinate. So we need to plug this value of any one of the equations. So first I'll take, let x equal to 2. When I take x equal to 2, y become y equal to, I'll take the first equation, 4 times 2 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So the first coordinate is 2 comma 5. Next, x equal to minus 3 by 2, which is y equal to 4 into minus 3 by 2 minus 3, which is equal to, we'll get the answer as minus 9. So the required coordinate is going to be, A is 2 comma 5 and B is minus 3 by 2 comma minus 9. So that's the first answer. Next one, the perpendicular bisector of the line AB cuts the coordinate axis at the points P comma Q. So this is the axis. So axis is here. So it's a negative quadratic, which is like, okay, that's not even required. So our coordinate is going to be minus 1.5 comma minus 9 somewhere here, and next to 2 comma 5 somewhere here. So maybe the point be like this, which is A and B. So here is A, here is B. Now they say we have a perpendicular bisector, so something like that. So perpendicular bisector, something goes like this, 90 degree. So they say here is one coordinate which is P, and here is one coordinate which is Q, so we need to find the area of this entire area. They form a triangle, so they say find the area of the triangle OPQ. Okay, so now we need to find P and Q. Okay, so perpendicular bisector of AB. So already we know the A and B value. First I'll find the AB1's gradient. The gradient is change of y over change of x. Change of y is going to be minus 9 minus 5 over change of x is minus 3 by 2 and minus 2. We will get the answer as 4. When we calculate, we'll get the answer, which is minus 14 over here, 2 minus 7 minus 4 minus 7 by 2 we'll get, which is minus 14 times minus 2 over 7, so we'll get 4. So the answer is 4. The gradient is going to be 4. Okay, for us we need perpendicular bisectors, so P and Q, our gradient is going to be negative reciprocal, which is negative 1 by 4. We got the gradient, so the line equation, so also they say it's a bisector, so they are to passing through the midpoint, so we need to find the midpoint here. So midpoint is going to be, okay, so first we have to add the x-axis, which is 2 plus minus 3 by 2 over 2 comma 5 plus minus 9 over 2. So we'll get the answer as numerator 1 by 2 over 2 comma minus 4 comma 2, which is 1 by 4 comma minus 2. Okay, so we got the midpoint, so the line equation is going to be y equal to minus 1 by 4, the gradient x plus c. So I'll plug in this value now. While plugging time, so I'll erase this. So I'll write the midpoint. So what we get, the midpoint 1 by 4 comma negative 2. So we got the midpoint what we done before, so just we'll plug in here. So minus 2 equal to negative 1 by 4, x is 1 by 4 plus c, so minus 2 equal to 1 by 16, 1 by 16, negative 1 by 16 plus c, so minus 2 plus 1 by 16 equal to c, so we'll get an answer minus 31 over 16 equal to c. So we'll plug in here this equation, so y equal to minus 1 by 4x minus 31 over 16. The thing is, we need to find the p and q value. P is going to be x intercept, which is y equal to 0. Plug in y equal to 0 here. We'll get minus 1 by 4 x equal to 31 by 16. So x equal to we'll get minus 31 over 4. So this value is minus 31 over 4. And now put x equal to, so next we put x equal to 0, so we'll get q point, which is when you plug in x equal to 0, this is the equation. So when you put x equal to 0, obviously this entire thing going to be 0, so minus 31, y equal to minus 31 over 16. So we got the equation. P coordinate is going to be minus 31 over 4 comma 0, and q coordinate is going to be 0 comma minus 31 over 16. Now we need to find the area, so this is minus 31 over 16. So this is the height always is positive, just the minus is not a matter, so area is going to be half into base, any one other side, so I'll take 31 by 4 times 31 by 16. So length can't be negative, so we need to take as positive, which is the answer is going to be 961 over 128. We can leave the answer as a fraction, or else we can leave as a decimal. When you change to decimal, we'll get 7.5078. So it's like 3 significant figures, 7.51. That's the final answer. We can leave as a decimal or we can leave as a fraction, and we both are right.